Hello, my dear student. Welcome to the today's class. The today's class we are going to discuss about the new chapter that is about the organic evolution. What is that new chapter is the organic the evolution. Organic evolution, that is about the new chapter that the organic evolution. It is the branch of the biology. It deals with the what the origin of life and diversity on the diversity on the earth, which it is study the evolution, that it is study the origin of the life, the diversity on the earth, which the organic evolution. The evolution is a word. The word of evolution is coined by Herbert Spencer. Herbert Spencer is the coined the word of the evolution. The next, the father of evolution. The father of evolution is Charles Darwin is the father of the evolution. The next, the what is the literal meaning? Meaning of evolution is the literal meaning of evolution is unfold or to revert the hidden potential, to reward the hidden potential, Then also it is called ruling out, also another meaning that. So according to the Darwin, he said that the evolution is a recent modification. According to Darwin, the evolution is a recent modification. Who said this? The Darwin said the evolution is a recent modifications. So in the evolution, we said the first it is the origin of the life. He said the first is the origin of the life. So before going to discuss the theories on origin of the life, here the some of the important 5 points is there. That is a very important. We are going to write. That is a very important points are there. The first one by one, which is I am saying that is a very important for the entrance examination. So next, first one is the unit of evolution. Which is called as the unit. What is the basic unit of the evolution is, that is the population. The population is called the unit of the evolution. The next one is the driving force of evolution. The next one is what the driving force of the evolution. The next is the driving force of the evolution is natural selection. Next, the unit of the natural selection is unit of natural selection, which is the unit of the natural selection, that is the individuals. The next is the ultimate resource of evolution is that is the mutation. Which one that? The mutation is the ultimate resource of the evolution data. The next, the unit of the natural selection is the individual. The driving force of the evolution is a natural selection. The unit of the evolution is is the population. The next last one is raw materials. Raw materials of evolution is variations. Which one that? Variations. This all are the very just direct bit for an entrance examination. This is the previous case set bit. This is also set bit only. Some other the previous entrance examination. Now what we are do? Now we are going to discuss the theories on origin of the life. Theories of the origin of the life. The theories is there on origin of the life. There is a one by one. Just the first one is the special creation theory. Special creation theory. The second one is cosmozoic theory. Cosmozoic theory. The next one, it is also called as panspermia theory also. The third one is abiogenesis theory. The fourth one is biogenesis theory. And etc. Last, catotropic theory is there. Catotropic theory or the catotropic theory, cataclysm, catotropism. This is the five theories is there. It's a very important for entrance. In this, the first one is special creation theory, cosmozoic or the panspermia theory, abiogenesis theory, and catotropism, cataclysm, like the theories are there. In this, what you have to do, the one by one we are going to discuss in this term. The first theory is that the special creation theory. The special creation theory. The special creation theory is also called as the divine theory. This is also called as what? The divine theory. Next, the special creation theory is introduced by, it is proposed by Herbert et al. The Herbert et al. Is the proposed special creation theory. The special creation theory is supported by the Father Swaraj. The Father Swaraj who supported the special creation theory. According to the special creation theory, what it said, the life is originated by the supernatural power. What is that? Supernatural power without influence of the human beings and without influence of any other resource. The life is created by the God only that. But here the different type of the mythological the beliefs is there, and according to the religions there is a different type of mythological beliefs is there. For example, if I take according to the books, according to the Bible, the first woman and men. The first man is according to Bible Adam. The first woman is Eve. First woman is Eve. Actually, he said that for life is created by within the 5 days. One day is water, one day is sun, means light, one day is means sky. Like that is known enough. This much is enough. That the Bible, the first woman is Eve, the first man is Adam. The according to the Hindu mythology, according to Hindu mythology. According to the Hindu mythology or the belief of the Hindus, the life is created by the God or Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma only for his desire of the Lord Brahma is created the life on the earth. According to Hindu mythology, the total life is one and only man is created for desire. He is a God, Lord Brahma. Then, according to the Hindu mythology, the first man and the woman, the first man and woman, the first man is the first woman is Manu. Who is that? The Manu is the first man. The first woman is according to Hindu mythology Shraddha. The Shraddha is the first woman. The Manu is the first man according to the Hindu mythology. Here Adam and the Eve. But in this special creation theory, one and only that is the but that lack of scientific evidence, lack of the scientific evidence, which one that in special creation theory. The next theory is panspermia theory or cosmozoic theory. That is the cosmozoic theory. Also it is called as panspermia theory or the spores theory, the last interplanetary theory. The four names is there. Actually, this theory is introduced by who's that? The scientist Richter. Introduced by Richter is introduced, but supported by Arrhenius is the supported the cosmozoic theory. According to this theory, it said that this is the what in Earth. It is one of the planet. There is a remaining the 7 planet is there. It's a different other planets. So what happens here? From the other planets, remaining other planets is Earth, means Saturn and Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. These all are the remaining other planets is there. But from the other planets, what happened that some of the spores are it is having the resistancy. Spores are produced from the other planet. From the other planet, finally it is reached to the Earth. When that is reached to the Earth of the spores, now the life is originated. That's why this theory is called interplanetary theory. That's due to the spores it is get. That's why it's called as spores theory. This. So this about the cosmozoic and panspermia, the spores theory. The next, the theory of abiogenesis theory. What is the abiogenesis theory? Next theory is that the spontaneous generation or abiogenesis or autobiogenesis. What is the abiogenesis? Bio means bio equal to life. Abio nothing but opposite non-living things. Don't have the life. things. Bio means living things or the life one which is having the life. Abio means which is does not have the life. It's called abio thing. That according to this theory, the life is originated from the non-living things. Life is originated from the non-living things. Which one is the abiogenesis or autogenesis theory? This theory is supported by the who is a very important Aristotle, Plato, Thales, comma, Von Helmont. The four scientists Aristotle, Plato, Thales, Von Helmont. These four scientists supported the abiogenesis theory. According to this, the example that they have said that from rainwater, the frog is developed. From rainwater, the frog is developed. From the dung, the flies is developed. According to the rainwater is a non-living thing. The frog is developed from the rainwater. Then again, from the dung to develop the flies. From the dung which is developed, that is the flies is developed. It is their example that. But who is here? The one of the scientists is there. The Von Helmont. Von Helmont did the one experiment. Listen here that what is that? You can take the one dirty set. And the one dirty set, in the dirty set he had the wheat flour. After the add the wheat flour, he wait for the how many days? He wait for the 21 days. After the wait of the 21 days, after that he observed the production of rat production. He observed the rat production. Who's that? Is the Von Helmont. See the Von Helmont. You take the one dirty set, then to add in the dirty set the wheat flour and wait for the 21 days. After the 21 days, he observed from the dirty set for production of the rat. Who observed that? The Von Helmont. The Von Helmont is observed that. Here you remember one thing that which is the theories is there. All the theories are not fact. Maybe, may not be. Some are means everyone they can share their opinions only that. But for example, you can take the laws and principle. It is proved by the practically. It can proved by the practically. So, which is the theories is there. All the theories are not fact. It's just they are maybe, may not be. They are just sharing their feeling that. This the abiogenesis. To against of the abiogenesis theory is there. That is about the biogenesis theory that I will make the next video. Thank you one and all.